Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best Wera Screwdriver Kit is probably one of the most essential tools any DIY enthusiast or professional tradesperson can own, offering unparalleled precision, durability, and ergonomic design that transforms everyday tasks into effortless operations, making it a standout choice for anyone serious about quality craftsmanship and long-lasting performance in their toolkit. Number 5. Wera Toolcheck Plus Bit Ratchet Set. Introducing the Wera Toolcheck Plus, a versatile bit ratchet set designed for all your needs. It combines essential tools in one compact package. This set features a bit ratchet, sockets, and a wide range of bits, making it perfect for various tasks. Its compact design ensures portability and convenience. Experience smooth and efficient work with its integrated bit ratchet. Changing bits and sockets is quick and easy, saving you time and effort. Equipped with a comprehensive selection of bits, it handles diverse applications with ease. From screws to bolts, it has you covered. Crafted with Wera's renowned quality, this tool is built to last. It's a reliable companion for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Simplify your toolbox with this all-in-one solution. It's the perfect addition for anyone who values efficiency and quality in their tools. What we like. This set offers a versatile ratchet handle and included sockets, making it excellent for a wide range of tasks. If you're looking for a compact all-in-one solution for both screw driving and nut fastening, this is a great choice. It's ideal for DIYers and professionals who value efficiency and portability in their toolkit. What people say. The screwdrivers have a comfortable grip that allows for good torque transfer. The set includes a variety of common screwdriver sizes, making it versatile for different tasks. The magnetic tips are strong and hold screws securely, preventing them from falling. Number 4. Mini Electric Screwdriver 72-in-1 Repair Tool Kit. Experience accurate torque for your daily tasks. It's perfect for working on electronics like phones, watches, and even precision instruments. This set includes 64 precision bits and accessories, totaling 72 pieces for all your repair needs. Crafted from durable CRV steel, it ensures a long-lasting and safe service life. Everything is neatly organized in a magnetic storage box with a satisfying pop-up mechanism. The magnetic bits ensure easy attachment for efficient work. A single charge powers up to 400 screws, thanks to its durable, rechargeable battery. The C-port makes charging convenient, and its powerful motor handles heavy work with ease. This kit provides everything you need for repairs, including the screwdriver, storage box, numerous bits, tweezers, and charging cable. What we like. Experience effortless repairs with its electric power and extensive 72-in-1 bit selection. If you frequently work with small electronics like phones, laptops, or watches, and want to save time and reduce hand strain, this cordless screwdriver is perfect for you. Its rechargeable battery ensures you're always ready to go. What people say. Comes with a nice variety of bits. This product works perfectly for those types of connectors. It also works well with the hex head. The level of variety of heads for this screwdriver is also extremely impressive. The non-battery version that comes with the kit is made of high-quality aluminum. There are also a plethora of other useful tools for small areas such as precision tweezers and a really nice metal pry bar that is very thin. Number 3. Mutt Tools 33-PC Security Bit Set. Introducing the Mutt Tools 33-piece Security Bit Set, your comprehensive solution for tamper-proof fasteners. This professional-grade set is designed for maximum performance and precision. It includes a wide array of specialized bits, such as security torques, hex, spanner, tri-wing, and torque. You'll have the right tool for virtually any security screw application. Crafted from premium steel, this set is built for durability and superior torque transfer. Experience minimized stripping and maximum performance on every job. Our CNC machined bits ensure a perfect fit for every fastener. This kit combines utility and precision, making it an essential addition to your toolkit. Designed as a tamper-proof screwdriver set, it empowers you to tackle any task with confidence. It simplifies even the most challenging jobs, even in tight spaces. Everything is kept organized and protected in a durable case. This complete set replaces multiple individual tools, offering unmatched convenience. What we like. This kit is uniquely designed for tamper-proof fasteners, offering a comprehensive range of security bits. If your work involves specialized security screws found in electronics, appliances, or public installations, this set provides the exact tools you need. Its robust organization ensures you can quickly find the right bit for challenging security applications. What people say. The bit edges were sharp and it did not slip when I really had to crank down to loosen the security screw. Definitely a quality set of security bits. Super set of apex bits that will work with every imaginable security type screw head. Embouts Torx Curve Raymond Solide. Number 2. AXTH 25 in 1 Precision Screwdriver Set. Introducing the AXTH 25 in 1 Precision Screwdriver Set, your go-to for all small repair needs. It's a household must-have for any DIY enthusiast or professional. This set includes 24 different bits, covering Phillips, flat, Torx, and more. You'll always have the right tool for the job, no matter how small. Crafted from high-quality bearing steel, these bits are incredibly durable and resistant to wear. The magnetized tips make handling tiny screws a breeze. Designed for comfort, it features a smooth swivel cap and a frosted, streamlined handle for easy and secure turning. Repairs will feel effortless. Everything comes in a small, sturdy case with a secure latch, perfect for storage and travel. The clear bit pattern ensures you can find what you need quickly. This micro screwdriver set is perfect for repairing phones, laptops, game consoles, and more. It's backed by AXTH's lifetime warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. Featuring high-hardness bearing steel bits and a magnetic tip, this set ensures precision and ease of use for tiny screws. If you're tackling delicate repairs on phones, computers, or watches and need reliable, durable bits that won't strip small fasteners, this is an excellent option. Its compact and sturdy case makes it a convenient household essential. What people say. This 25 in 1 precision tool set is exactly what I needed for all those random little fixes around the house, tightening towel rack set screws, adjusting eyeglasses, and opening toys that require tiny screws for battery installs. It's compact, magnetic, and feels good in the hand, with a satisfying snap when the bits attach. The set has a good mix of other oddball bits as well, so should be very useful for anyone needing to remove small screws with less than common heads. The screwdriver handle itself feels high quality and holds the bits in securely via a magnet. It comes with a nifty magnetic case with magnetic slots to keep the bits nicely organized, and a sliding cover, and it all fits together in a handy little box that makes it easy to wrap as a gift. Number 1. Wera Kraftform Plus Insulated Screwdriver Set. Introducing the Wera Kraftform Plus Insulated Screwdriver Set, a 6-piece collection designed for professionals. This set includes slotted and Phillips drive tips, along with a convenient rack for storage. Each screwdriver is rigorously tested at 10,000 volts in a water bath. This ensures a guaranteed safe working standard of 1,000 volts, providing you with peace of mind. Experience the innovative laser tip technology. Its micro-rough drive tip bites into the fastener, ensuring a perfect fit and significantly reducing the cam-out effect. The multi-component Kraftform handle is ergonomically designed to fit the shape of your hand. This provides ultimate comfort and allows for high-speed torque transfer. Crafted with precision and built to last, this set is German-engineered. It also comes with a limited lifetime warranty, reflecting its exceptional quality and durability. What we like. With VDE-tested insulation up to 10,000 volts and laser tip technology for superior grip, this set prioritizes safety and precision. If you are an electrician or work in environments where electrical hazards are a concern, these insulated screwdrivers offer critical protection. The ergonomic Kraftform handle ensures comfort during prolonged use, making them ideal for professional electrical work. What people say. The laser-etched ends are a brilliant idea and really help keep a grip on fasteners to avoid stripping them. The handles are kind of fun and the shape is actually surprisingly comfortable and easy to easy. One of those ergonomic things. The shape of the handles are molded after the actual shape of a closed human hand, making the best most ergonomic and comfortable tool handle bar none. With rubber segments for added grip and comfort. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.